Well, today I have a couple hours on my hands before I run around and pick up grandchildren and run them everywhere. So I'm going to make a bunch of my Ninja Creami ice creams. And this is how I do it. I like to take a few hours and do bulk of the ones that we like the most, and then we put mix-ins in with, and then maybe a couple of the newer ones. So the bulk ones that I'm going to be making today are 5 pints of the double delicious chocolate, the bulk recipe of the cheesecake vanilla. Both of these make 5 pints, but it's so much better when I use this. And I put all these ingredients together. Anyway, and so this is what I'm going to be making, and the chocolate peanut butter ice cream, that's one of my favorites, and the banana light ice cream, because I have a couple bananas that I need to use, and I love banana. And then of course there's some of my cute cozies I just put for the background. I have over 20 though. These are just a few. Okay, part of my prep, getting ready to make all these ice creams, I get all my ingredients from my recipes and just kind of put them out here. I'm going to be using the Premier Protein Caramel, Fairlife chocolate, Premier Protein banana, and then the chocolate peanut butter chocolate peanut butter Premier Protein. I also add some almond milk, some fat-free cottage cheese. People ask me where I get it. I get it at Walmart. And there's my monk fruit erythritol that I add. Tarragon, it's a little pricey, but you only need 1/8 teaspoon. And it, along with pudding, makes my ice cream so much creamier. And then here's some flavorings I will be adding from the Loran Bakery Emulsions. And I've got the cream cheese, the caramel, and then I have strawberry, because I may add some strawberries if I have time. And if not, there'll be a mix-in. And then here's some of the other ingredients, of course, the puddings and stuff. So I'm going to get started. Okay, now I'm making the double chocolate bulk recipe. This is going to make 5 pints of the 2-cup pints, so it'll make 10 cups. I'm going to start off with 3 of these Fairlife chocolate protein. Okay, I added the chocolate protein, and you want to do that liquid first, add the cottage cheese last, so all these ingredients can mix good. So the next thing I'm going to add is 1.5 cups of the sweetener, which I use the monk fruit erythritol, and then 4 tablespoons of the Dutch processed, well, it's called Dutch powdered or fine cocoa. I'm going to put that in there, and then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla and 1 teaspoon of the tarragon for thickening. And then I'm going to mix it all together in the blender, and then I'm going to add the cottage cheese. Okay, I just took the lid off. Boy, this one's full. I ended up getting 6 out of here. Of course, it does fluff it up a lot, and I've noticed that many times you can go over the fill line when it's this fluffed up from a blender, because it packs down when it freezes. Okay, it easily made 5 full 2-cup pints, and I just tasted it. The recipe is perfect. I don't need to add anything else to it. Just putting the lids on it and putting it in the freezer. Like I said, I'm not going to mark these because they're chocolate. The chocolate, double chocolate, is my favorite. So the only 2 I don't mark are the bulk recipe ones that are in my freezer, because if they're white, we know they're my husband's favorite, the cheesecake vanilla, which I have sometimes too. And if they're the chocolate with no name on top of them, then they're the double chocolate. If I make chocolate peanut butter or some other type of chocolate one, then I will put a label on the top so I know it's different from my regular double chocolate. Yum.